Employee Stock Options Section 237. Employee stock options, ESOs, allow employees to buy company shares at a set price within a specific period. They align employee interests with company performance and help retain talent. Key features of employee stock options. 1. Granting of options. Companies grant ESOs to employees based on criteria such as job performance, tenure, and contribution to the company's success. 2. Exercise price. The exercise price, or strike price, is set at the fair market value of the company's stock at the time of grant, ensuring that employees benefit from stock appreciation over the exercise period. 3. Vesting period. ESOs often have a vesting period, during which employees must fulfill certain employment conditions before they can exercise their options to purchase shares. 4. Exercise period. Once vested, employees can exercise their options to buy shares at the exercise price. This typically occurs after a specified period, known as the exercise period. 5. Tax implications. ESOs have tax implications for both the company and the employee, including considerations related to the timing of exercise, taxation of gains, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Regulatory framework. 1. Companies Act, 2013. While the Companies Act, 2013 primarily governs the incorporation, management, and administration of companies in India, it also indirectly impacts ESOs through provisions related to capital structure, share issuance, and financial disclosures. 2. SEBI regulations. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, regulates employee stock options through various guidelines and regulations to ensure transparency, fairness, and investor protection in the issuance and management of securities by companies. 3. Accounting standards. Companies must adhere to accounting standards prescribed under the Companies Act and SEBI regulations when accounting for ESOs in their financial statements, including disclosures about the impact of ESOs on earnings per share and financial performance. Benefits of employee stock options. 1. Employee motivation. ESOs serve as a valuable tool for motivating and retaining talented employees by aligning their financial interests with long-term company performance. 2. Ownership culture. ESOs promote an ownership culture among employees, encouraging them to contribute to the company's growth and success. 3. Flexible compensation. Companies can use ESOs as a cost-effective form of compensation, especially in startups and growth stage companies where cash flow may be limited.